Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day outside, so I decided I would record the introduction out here. We are at 270 subscribers. Yay! I want to thank you guys so much. Very well appreciated. So today we'll be cooking some oxtail. I'm actually on my way to the supermarket. So when I get back, we will start preparing some oxtail together. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. So forward. Alright, so last night I did marinate the oxtail from overnight. I just want to go ahead and give you guys a preview of what I did. Let's catch up on that. So you see, when you're washing off the oxtail, you're washing off these kind of stuff that is on it. So you try to get rid of those. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off so you can see what it looks like. So in the meantime, I transfer the oxtail from the pot into a container because that's the pot I'm going to use. Now I'll be lighting the stove. Leave that on medium heat to hot, and remember to always have your hot water. Alright, so in the meantime, I'm going to remove my oxtail from the liquid and place them on a plate just to have those water drained off. So now that these are drained off, you are not going to throw away this liquid. This liquid is the last liquid that would be added to the pot when it's cooking down with the vegetables and stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and add our oxtail to the pot. No oil needed. The oxtail produces its own oil. What we're doing now is searing off. Oftentimes I see people use oil with the oxtail, and then when it's finished, all the oil is soaking on the top, and then they have to go ahead and skim it off. Makes no sense. We are using scallion, thyme, carrot, Irish potato, and onion. All the other ingredients is in the broth that was extracted from the oxtail overnight. We have ginger, pimento, garlic, hot pepper, and pimento seeds. So as you can see, my oxtail is becoming golden brown. I have a very small pot, so it's kind of more difficult for me, but for those of you who have a larger pot, it will be easier. So in the meantime, while those are being seared, I'm going to go ahead and prep my vegetables. So now that my oxtail is golden brown, I'm going to go ahead and add some hot water. And for those of you who are doing a very large portion of oxtail, you can put them in the oven. It's much more faster and easier. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this down on very low heat. Oxtail take about 2 to 3 hours to cook, and for those of you who doesn't have a pressure cooker, slow heat is good enough. My vegetables have been washed, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up and add them to the broth. And peas today, but I decided to stick with white rice, and I'm gonna do a bit of sweet corn with it, corn on the cob. Yeah, so we're gonna keep it a bit simple today. Alright, so the oxtail is gonna take about 2 to 3 hours to cook, so you guys can go and do something and come back. And like me, I'm having a drink. So forward. So this is another way to cook rice. You melt the butter, saute the seasonings. That's onion, thyme, scallion, maybe garlic if you like. Add the rice, stir it, add your salt, and then cover it. So as you can see, my oxtail is almost coming off the bone. You can see where it's getting a bit tender. So we're gonna let that dry down a bit more. Let the water go right down, the liquid go right down, sorry. And then we're going to add our liquid to it. This one. So people, when the rice reach this stage, like you can't hardly see the water anymore. This is at medium heat now. Then you turn the stove way down to low heat, very low heat. And let it stay. Right, so now you can see that my oxtail is basically cooked. It's coming off the bone. So now we can go ahead and add our seasoning to the pot. Hey, look at all that yum. Alright, so after that you just go ahead, turn on your stove, medium heat, and well, turn it up because it was down. So we're gonna turn it up to medium heat, and then we're gonna start preparing our corn. Now I'm gonna slowly add my corn. I don't know what to call this. What do you think I should call it, guys? Give me a name. Sauteed sweet corn in herbs, or I don't know. Give me a name. Write the name in the comment box below and tell me what you think I should call it. So just go ahead and cover that and leave it for about 5 minutes. So now right now everything is on the stove. I'm just waiting on everything to finish. Show you guys the result, and then I go and fold my belly. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys remember to like and subscribe, or go and like and subscribe, and leave your comments below. And remember, I love you guys. Bye.